Okay, again, this is Amber Seiler, and I am getting ready to submit my actual last video. So here are all of my practice lemons that I have worked on with the 5-point method and the fanning out, as well as the stretch marks. So now I have chosen to do the actual marionette lines. So I have a little smiley face drawn here with the actual lines here. So what I'm going to do is the 5-point method on each side, and then I'm going to fan out here on each side of the lines. Make sure my needle is clean. So I'm going to start with the 5-point method here. And I'm going to avoid getting into the actual wrinkle. And I'm just going to do it around the 5-point method. And I'm going to kind of fan out just a little bit here at the bottom just to make sure. And then I'll come up here and get a little bit closer, but still avoiding the actual deep wrinkle of the marionette or frown line. I'll do a little fanning out here, and then I'll come out here and fan out just a little bit. To make sure that we don't have the actual direct line, but still staying consistent with my actual 5-point method. So here is the one side where I did the fanning out, and then more tightly on the inside with the 5-point method. And now I'm going to do the other side. Still avoiding that deep marionette line. And now I'll start my fanning out. And then I'll come back in on the other side of this deep marionette line and do a tighter 5-point method and then fan out. So now I'll start the fanning out process. And I'll fan out just a little bit more here so that you can see that I actually understand the form of fanning out. So that you don't have the actual direct line. So here I have the other side, so you can see that I have the 5-point method pretty tight along each side of the deep wrinkle of the marionette line, and then here is the actual fanning out around the sides so that you don't have the direct line. And this should be my final submission for my plasma pen. Thank you.